Hi, it's Tiffany here, and I am here to show you the new Bellies from Bellyville from Jay at Play. Jay at Play sent this to us for free for our review. If you don't know who Jay at Play is, I will remind you that they actually created Boxy Girls. They have a bunch of cool toys, and these toys are no exception. Baby toys are totally hot this holiday season, so parents, if you're watching, keep that in mind and watch this video to see how this adorable Bellies baby comes to life. Packaged in what looks like a little knapsack, we have this adorable little Bellies doll. These Bellies are totally cute. They have all these different personalities, from being really funny, for being extra loving, for being super hungry, just totally adorable, or just really mischievous. You can also check out their YouTube channel and you could see all of the other Bellies babies that you can adopt. And you could also see the coolest super nanny, Beth, take you down how to take care of all of these little babies. If you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button. And if you're watching on IGTV, so welcome to you. And please don't forget to follow us at Tubi Toys and like this video and maybe even tag your friends to show them. We have one baby, and this baby is Willy Woof. Comes with a baby bottle. We have a little diaper, a pacifier, and her little, or his little hat. So let's see what's inside. You can stay tuned to the end of the video and I'll show you other Bellies that we saw at TTPM Holiday Showcase. Here we go. Let's take this cute Bellies baby out of the box. Got our Poopypedia, and we have the star of the show. We have our little baby with a little baby blanket, and we have our little Bellies baby. Let's remove this. How cute. And let's open up our Poopypedia. Got a bunch of stickers. Poopypedia, the Bellies from Bellyville. Pinky-twink, Yummy, Yummy, Mwak Mwak, and Bobby Boo. Okay, so this is the Poopypedia. So all of them seem to have different poops. We got green poop. That means you have a runny nose and you gotta clean Belly's nose and use the mucus sucker. Choco poop. Oops, Belly is distressed. Wrap Bellies up in a blanket. Apply a vaccination. Then we have Pim Pam Poo. Oh, too much milk. Bellies need water and cuddles. Give Bellies a sparkling vitamin. And Happy Poo. Wow, super healthy. Give Bellies a bottle and feed Bellies super strength food. Oh, this is the emergency belly kit that's sold separately. Has all of these items that you will need to help vaccinate, give vitamins, help their poop be healthy again. And here is their YouTube channel with this adorable story. How cute. So we don't have any of these items that it says, so we're gonna have to refer to this part, the belly experience. Remove the belly cord and listen to its heart. Wow, your Bellies will start to babble. Then we have to find the birthmark. Oh no, there's a diaper surprise. Then we check the Poopypedia for care advice. Let's check out his birthmark. Let's see what it is. What is that? It's a little paw print. How cute. And it comes with this little documentation area where you would fill it out. It says My Belly. And it comes with the wristlet that shows all the information about your belly, like a baby would have at a hospital. You would write the adoption date, which would be like today's date or the day you opened it. Your poop surprise, put the time, the type of poop that they had. Okay. Oh my goodness. You have to remove the baby's head to put the batteries in. So the belly is the actual on and off switch. So once you remove that plastic insert, just throw that away and you could turn it on and off and you could hear your baby's heartbeat. You could also give your baby a pacifier. So here we have our little belly baby, and this cute little belly baby has orange hair. Well, like orange yellowy hair, but I'm gonna say orange. And I don't see any bellies that I have here, but it looks like we have the funniest baby. And the name was Willy Woof. Okay, now let's remove this area right here. And this is their diaper. Is there anything inside the diaper now? There is! And we got yellow poop. The yellow poop means we got a happy poo. It means our baby's super healthy. That's awesome. All we have to do is just give our baby a bottle. That's so cool. We have this cool Bellies Baby bottle that's green with pink and glitter on it. Let's take off this area, this little thing. Oh, it looks like we have a little boy as well. It's anatomically correct. How cute. This little pacifier is actually magnetic, so it sticks to the baby's face. You don't have to put it inside the mouth or anything. Ooh! Now I turned it off. Let's turn it back on. How cute. Let's put her, or his hat on, sorry. It is a boy. And they're so little. He just fits in the palm of my hand. Always getting tired. Oh, he says his name. He said his own name. How cute. Willy Woof. Let's look at our poops again. So we had a happy poo, but you could actually add other poops in here. You could add the choco poo and the pim pam poo. He's got a lot to say. He is so super cute. He keeps saying Willy Woof, Willy Woof. He's got little hearts in his eyes, little freckles. He already has 2 little teeth. These little areas light up when he speaks and when his heart beats. You could put him to sleep, feed him, change his diaper, and then add different kinds of variations of poops with the stickers inside. So what you would have to do is you take the diaper off. And if you have that other little accessory set, like the emergency belly kit, you can take care of, oh no, we got an explosion. So let's put the choco poo in there. Oh no. We could put our happy poo on top of our My Belly document. That was what he was born with. And we're gonna change this diaper now. Yuck, choco poo. And then we gotta change and put a fresh diaper on. Ah! He pooped again! You rascal. Oh, go to sleep. So now let's take our stickers and let's apply them to our document. So we got Willy Woof. Willy Woof goes right here. So cute. And the surprise was this blue poop. Oh my God. All of the Bellies babies have their own unique birthmarks on their tushes. So he has a unique paw print. And we're gonna put that doggy right here. You could pose your own little Bellies babies by sitting up. You could lie them down. They don't turn their heads though. That's the only thing that doesn't move. Otherwise, they are pretty posable. Good night, Willy Woof. Comes with his own sparkly pacifier that sticks to his face with the magnet. And we have our own green baba and a bunch of little stickers to change the style of poops. That's super fun. So this is by Jay at Play. Retail information in my description below and on my blog at tobytoys.com. Big thank you to Jay at Play for sending us Bellies and giving us a first look of these adorable babies. Stay tuned to the end of the video and you can see all of the other Bellies babies that you can collect. Thanks for watching. And if you're watching on IGTV, don't forget to follow us at tobytoys and tag one of your best friends or one person that you think would like this doll too. And if you're watching on YouTube, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share our videos. Thanks for watching and have a good day.
Subscribe. It's free. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ah.